AndImShelby, and I am back with another video. I say I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my slick downs. Like, people are constantly asking, how do you do it? What do you use to slick down your hair? I'm always telling them, gel. I literally use the Eco Styler gel. Like, that is the main ingredient for this recipe. No cap. So in this video, I just show you guys the steps I take to do it. But I also want to announce that I did say I was not going to do the traditional vlogmas of posting 25 days straight or 31 days of December. Baby girl, baby boy, I was not doing it. So I decided that I was going to do weekly vlogs. So whatever I vlog in the days, I would just turn it into a weekly vlogmas and upload weekly. But I also told y'all, if you follow me on Instagram at AndImShelby or AndImShelby, that I had a little surprise for you. So here it is. I am doing 12 days of SHELMAS. So the goal, you realize I said the goal, is to post every day up until Christmas for 12 days straight. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm really gonna try. So this is day 1. Stay tuned for the other days. Please make sure y'all interact with me, you know, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, post a little snippet on your IG and tag me and I'll repost you, all of that. You know, if you want to help the girl grow, if you want to help me get to 20k seashells, then y'all know what to do. But I think this intro is long enough, so let's just hop right into the video. So first things first, I wet my hair with some water and then I detangle. Yes, I use a fine teeth comb because why not? My hair is short. I really don't need to use a wide tooth comb. It makes no sense. I also use my Denman brush. I just make sure all the kinks and knots are out of my hair before I begin. Then I make sure I part off my section first, wherever I want my part to be. I do that first, and yeah, this takes some time, and I'm not gonna lie, because the hair is short and it's like it won't stay down. So because of that, also I use a hair clip to put it in place so it doesn't move until I get there with the gel. So I actually use Mild Organics Coil Custard to rub in my hair first before I put the gel in. So yeah, I did that all before I sectioned off the hair and everything. So now I'm just going in with the Eco Styler gel and smoothing that in with my hand first, and then I go in with the rat tail comb and make sure to smooth everything out. Make sure it lays flat, no bumps, no kinks, no nothing. It has to stay flat. You also have to work in like small sections, and you have to work relatively fast, because if you leave it for too long, the hair is going to start curling up and then it's not going to stay. And yeah, so you have to move really quick when you're doing this. That's pretty much how I do this. Just do the motion. Comb, smooth, comb, smooth, comb, smooth, and you will be fine. If you need to use like hair clips or anything to pin down some hairs while you're doing it, feel free to do that if your hair is not staying down. My hair type is 4AB if you guys really care. So yeah, mousse alone is not going to cut it for me. I have to use the gel, and I have to use a lot of it too. I do all of that, I go in and make the little swirlies at the front, you know, Betty Boop. I make sure to try to perfect them. I can't really do finger waves, and I feel like they take too much time. I don't really need to do all that, so I make sure just do some little swirls at the front, and the rest of it is literally slicked down straight. I do not care. As long as it come off good. And that is the finished result. So guys, this is the final look. This is what it turned out to look like. I ain't gonna lie, after I stopped, I did some sections over. Some sections weren't laying as flat as I would have liked it, and honestly that's just how this style goes. Like sometimes you have to go over some sections like a lot. This takes a lot of gel. I'm not even gonna cap, okay? Also to note, I ended up using an additional product, which is this. It's the mild pomegranate and honey coil sculpting custard, along with the Eco Styler gel. The reason I use that is because I realize it doesn't flake when I use them together. So all my other moisturizers, you do the test on the back of your hand. So you put a little bit of the Eco Styler, a little bit of the moisturizer, and you rub it on the back of your hand to see if it is going to flake. If it is white and clumpy, that means it's gonna flake. If it is smooth, it is, you know, a smooth consistency, or it rubs right out into your hand and turns clear, then it's a go. So that's what I realized for these two products. And I also think it's because this product itself is, it's not a cream, it's more like a jelly, so I think that's why they worked well together. And my hair is flat. My hair is flat, like I like that. Like I have not had my hair this flat in a long time. It don't seem to be moving. This is what the back looks like. Sometimes like right here will curl up a little bit because that is where I would tie my do-rag. I know it has that little line of demarcation, so that's expected, but I'm not mad at it. I don't really care for that. As long as it's not like cut off, I'm fine with it. And normally if it does do that, then I'll just go in with some more Eco Styler gel, rub on it so it can stay flat, and like blow dry it so it'll dry in place. So yeah, you guys always keep asking me, you know, Shelby, how you slick down the hair? We need a tutorial. Here it is. I hope you guys appreciate it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.